Hello guys, you're welcome to my channel. Today we'll be looking at how we can scalp gold on the lower time frames. But before we do that, let's look at what has happened on the higher time frame. We are on the daily time frame and the price of gold is bullish in the sense that we have a low right here. Is a low, and we have a high, then we have higher low around here, then we just have a higher high around here. So the price of gold is currently bullish on the daily time frame. Now another thing to look at is the break of structure. Okay, price broke structure to the upside around here. Price of gold broke structure to the upside around this particular area here. So we have a breakout to the upside. It happened around here. Now we just had another breakout to the upside somewhere around here. Okay, there's a breakout to the upside somewhere around here. Okay, that happened yesterday. Okay, but another thing we have to look at is there's this bullish run around here, a bullish run where the bulls stepped in and started to push price up, but something significant happened where we have a gap. Look at this gap. We have a gap between the closing price of yesterday and today's opening price. Okay, today's opening price around here. Okay, and the gap is currently being filled. It's been filled, and it's as if price ran into resistance and started to sell. So on the daily time frame, though the trend is bullish, but for now, look for sell opportunities, look for a way to sell, because after the gap is being filled, what I foresee is that price will start to drop further. And if price is going to drop on the daily time frame, let's look at our Fibonacci levels, retracement levels. Okay, price has gotten to 23.6 and it might drop down to 38.2. That's around 2020. Okay, so 2020 could serve as a support, or no, 2030, beg your pardon, that could serve as a support for price. Okay, that's that for the daily time frame. Let's quickly look at what's happening on the 4-hour time frame. Going to the 4-hour time frame, you can see the gap. The gap is obvious. It's obvious gap. Okay, around price opened around there. Okay, price opened here, price closed around here yesterday and then opened today around here. Look at the gap. Okay, the gap is around how many pips? Okay, let's just choose 2060 to 2030. That's like less than around 30, less than 300 pips. Okay, let's a bit less than 300 pips. So price has filled the gap and the bears are still trying to push price further down. Let's mark up a trend line. Let's mark up a trend line. We can have a trend line here on the 4-hour time frame. Okay, so around here, this particular area can serve as the support for price. I'm talking about this area around here, somewhere around here. We're looking at support for price. We're looking at 2032 area. That could serve as support for price to go up a bit, before dropping. Okay, whereby we have change of character. All right, so it's as if we have price going up, forming a top, Okay, currently forming a top. Then I foresee price dropping to this level, then bouncing, and then we now have a double top and a change of character for price start to reverse. So if price is going to reverse on the 4-hour time frame, we have our supports, this and other block, okay, and it can serve as our support. All right, then we have another support around here, okay, it's another other block, serve as a support. So the first support should be somewhere around 2009, 2008. The second one should be around 1978. So, but let's see, only time will tell. Time will tell us as time goes on. We'll find out how it's gonna be. So let's look at the 1-hour time frame. Let's run through the 1-hour time frame to see what has happened. On the 1-hour time frame, we can mark up a trend, descending trend line. See that the bears are currently active. The bears are currently in charge. So if we have a markup of another ascending trend line around here, you can see a triangle. So this particular gap has currently been filled. The gap has been filled, and I expect price to continue to drop. But we have a support. We have a support around here. So if you are going to scalp, look for selling opportunities for now. Try and sell for now, because the bulls, the buyers, are currently taking profit. So support is around 2035. Just look for how to scalp 10 pips, 20 pips if you really want to scalp today. Looking at the 30 minutes time frame, still bearish. Price is dropping, keeps dropping. The bulls only made attempt here to push price up, but it failed. Most of the big bulls, the big buyers, they have gone out of the market. This also failed, and these two also failed. Okay, so price is dropping and dropping. The bears have stepped in and they are like, okay, that's enough. We need to, take price back down. So we don't know how far price is going to go, but on the 30 minutes time frame, I see a support around here. Okay, that's around the 20. Let's look at around the 2030 area as a support. Okay, there's another support around here. It's other block. Okay, around here. Let's look at the 2020 area. So just look for scalp opportunities, scalp some pips here, scalp some pips there, but look more for sell opportunities. Look to sell. Okay, on the 15 minutes time frame, is quite obvious that price is dropping, keeps dropping until we have a breakout of this particular trend line to the upside. If we do not have a break of this trend line and we do not have price going up above this particular line, if price does not break above 2045 area, not just break, not a break or a test, but a break and a close above it to now retest it and then start going up. If you don't have something like this, the trend is going down. So until we have this before we now go back to the top. When I say go back to the top, I'm talking about the 2062.5 area. But for now, look for scalp to sell. Look for selling opportunities on the chart. Okay, that's for the 15 minutes time frame. If price is going to drop on the 15 minutes time frame, we are looking at this support area on the 15 minutes time frame. That's it's going to drop as low as 2030. Okay, another support area on the 15 minutes time frame. Price can drop as low as 2020. So that's the 15 minutes time frame. Let's quickly look at what's happening on the 10 minutes time frame, on the 5 minutes time frame. I beg your pardon. Let's look at what's happening on the 5 minutes time frame. On the 5 minutes time frame, we can see a top here as price drops. The top, that will be your resistance. You can place stop loss there. There's the top. You can place stop loss here if you are selling or you are scalp selling. There's a top. You can place your stop loss here. So you can place your stop loss at 2046. Stop loss could be at 2057. Stop loss could be at 2064. Okay, as your sell, and your take profit if you are scalp selling, your take profit could be around 2030. Take profit could be around 2020. Okay, so look for selling opportunities. The gap has completely been filled. Okay, the gap from here to here has completely been filled, and price is dropping further. So let's look at the 1 minute time frame. Do we have anything on the 1 minute time frame that can give us pointer to continue to scalp sell? Obviously price is selling, but let's have a full confirmation on the 1 minute time frame. On the 1 minute time frame, it's obvious that the sellers are in charge. Look at the wicks. Look at this wick. Look at this wick. These are pointers that the buyers are only making an attempt to try to go back up, but the sellers are, look at the long selling bars on the 1 minute time frame. This is a pointer that the sellers are currently in charge, but we don't know how far the sellers can go. This particular support on the 1 minute time frame might possibly hold. We are currently at the support on the 1 minute time frame. It might hold, and then we might see price going back up. Okay, this forex, anything can happen, but if you are selling and price is going to go back up, your stop loss should be somewhere around here at the 2046 area. Okay, but look for 20 pips, 10 pips, 5 pips, 15 pips. Just try and make yourself comfortable and happy with whatever you're able to make out of the market. So that's that for this particular video. Look for scalp to sell. For now, we already have a long bullish run. We had a long bullish run the last couple of days. 1, 2, these are long bars, quite longer than what's on the left side as far as this range or this equilibrium is concerned. So look for a way to sell. You can see price is dropping. This daily bar, we are approaching the London session, and this daily bar, this daily candle is already as long as the previous, and that shows the pairs are full. There are so much in the market, and the bulls are nowhere to be found. So look for a way to join the bears and take small peeps. All right, don't forget to smash the subscribe button if you are here to join our channel. Smash the subscribe button so that you get to see more videos. Smash the like button if you like what you just saw. Smash the notification button, the bell button below the video for you to see more notification when we release another video. Drop comment, ask questions if you're not clear with any part of the explanation. You can go to our website www.beanfxtrader.com to learn more on how to trade. You can also go to that website of ours, fxfables.com, to learn more on how to trade. Till I come your way next time, it's bye for now.